Don't skip this video if you need success. I'm serious. Because in this video, you're not just going to learn about success, you're going to improve your English through a life-changing story. So if you want better discipline, stronger mindset and stronger English skills at the same time, stay. Most people love motivation. It feels powerful. It gives you energy. It makes you promise big things. It makes you believe tomorrow I'll change my life. But here's the problem. Motivation disappears when things get hard. Consistency doesn't. And today, through this story, you'll understand why consistency beats motivation every single time. Listen carefully, improve your English, and improve your mindset. Let's begin. Motivation feels amazing. It gives you goosebumps. It makes you plan your future at 2 a.m. It makes you promise yourself tomorrow everything changes. But let me ask you something. Where is that motivation on a random Tuesday morning when you're tired, unnoticed, and no one cares about your goals? Motivation is emotional. Consistency is commitment. And one of them actually builds success. If you want real growth, not hype, not temporary fire, stay with me. Because this might change how you approach your entire life. Motivation is a feeling, and feelings are unstable. They rise, they fall, they disappear. You don't feel motivated every day. You don't feel confident every day. You don't feel inspired every day. And if your progress depends on how you feel, your progress will always be inconsistent. That's why most people start strong and disappear quietly. They don't lack dreams. They lack discipline on ordinary days. There was a 23-year-old guy, average background, no special talent, no connections, but he had big goals. He watched motivational videos daily, saved quotes on his phone, talked about success constantly. Every Monday he started fresh, gym membership, business ideas, new routines. By Thursday, he was tired. By Sunday, he said, I'll restart next week. He wasn't lazy, he was emotional. He relied on motivation, and motivation betrayed him. One day, something changed. He stopped asking, do I feel like it? And started asking, is it necessary? He created one simple rule. No matter what, I show up. Not perfectly, not intensely, just consistently, even on bad days, especially on bad days. That was the turning point, not excitement, structure. Consistency really looks like. Consistency isn't dramatic, it's boring. It's repeating the same effort when no one claps. It's going to the gym even when progress feels invisible. It's working on your project when views are low. It's studying when results aren't immediate. The world celebrates big wins, but big wins are built on small, repeated actions, every single day. Consistency doesn't feel powerful, but it compounds. Why consistency wins. Here's why consistency beats motivation. 1. Motivation depends on emotion. 2. Consistency depends on decision. Emotion is temporary, decision is controlled. Motivation says, let's go hard today. Consistency says, let's go again tomorrow. And again, and again. After 30 days, the motivated person is tired. After 300 days, the consistent person is unstoppable. Not because they're smarter, but because they didn't stop. The hardest part isn't the work, it's the voice in your head. Skip today. You deserve rest. It's not working anyway. You're not special. Consistency means acting despite that voice, not fighting it loudly, just ignoring it calmly. The difference between average and elite is not intensity, it's endurance. Can you keep going when it's quiet, when it's slow, when it's unnoticed? That's where success is decided. 1 year of consistency can outperform 10 years of motivation. Imagine improving just 1% every day. No drama, no announcement, no social media posts, just quiet improvement. 1 year later, you won't recognize yourself, not because you were inspired, but because you were reliable to your own promises, and that's rare. So now you understand something powerful. Motivation is a spark. Consistency is the engine. And success belongs to the one who keeps the engine running. If you stayed until this moment, you didn't just listen to a story. You trained your English, you trained your focus, and you trained your mindset. That already separates you from most people. If you want to keep improving your English through powerful life stories like this, subscribe now. And don't leave yet. The next video on your screen will help you build unstoppable discipline while learning even stronger English. Click it. Don't let this just be inspiration. Let it be transformation. This is FANTISTORI, where you build success while building yourself. I'll see you in the next story.